Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the Narwal Flow 2 app settings. If you're interested in the Narwal Flow 2, the link to it will be in the video description, where you can also check out and find the links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum cleaner picks, as well as our daily vacuum deals. So be sure to shop all those links. Let's enter into the Flow 2 right now. We'll look at all the device settings. Starting with the top right-hand corner, hit the settings gear icon, where we can see all of our device settings. So we have our device info, firmware version, free all mine settings, so we can adjust basically the AI or the auto mode. And then below that, we have our clean settings, so wash mops by area. You can adjust that right there, or do intelligent rewashing, intensive corner cleaning, priority cleaning for carpet, intensive carpet cleaning. So you have those settings to enable or disable. Just read up on them and choose which ones you think will work best for your environment. There's no right or wrong answer to any of this. Then we have our general settings like do not disturb mode, high altitude mode, child lock, and auto power off. Then we have our dock settings, so auto filling of cleaning solution, auto dust bag, bacterial control. And then we have our health index here, so we can see that over 120 days. Mop drying intensity, you can adjust that there. And then smart temperature controlled mopping system. Basically, the water will be heated to an appropriate temperature based on the dirt sense detection, which is cool. So toggle that on or off. Auto dust emptying mode, dock-based drainage, and robot water tank draining. You can initiate those right there. So some of our dock settings. Pet-friendly mode, if you have a pet, you can toggle that on, choose what you have. Both cats and dogs, cats or dogs, right? Easy cleaning, pet playtime, worry-free care. So pretty fun that we have a couple of those options. You can interact with it with voice play. And then one tap pet finding. So some cool pet-oriented modes for you pet owners out there. We have our map management. So from here, we can edit our map. We can adjust the cleaning order. We can toggle on or off stairs. That'll help with thresholds depending on your environment. Better climbing, better obstacles. We can also remap and rename. Let me show you the map editing options. Tons of options here. Split, merge, and rename rooms. We can add furniture on our map. We can adjust floor material, 3D material as well too, basically changing colors of objects and flooring. We can add carpets. We can adjust no-go zones. For no-go zones, we can add multiples, so it can be no vacuuming, mopping, no vacuuming, or no mopping. Then we have pet cleaning. So we have our pet cleaning settings, so you can add a pet clean zone. We have room character, so you can configure different rooms if there's, like this one has heavily soiled, but we can select a room, no character, high soil room, or low noise room, and it will adjust the cleaning based on that parameter for the room character. Really neat. Haven't seen that before. I like that a lot. We can edit our layout and we can expand the exterior walls. And then basically we can add enhanced obstacle crossing. So if you have thresholds in your house, you just mark them on the map. Everything's drag and drop. So that's our map editing. Then we have manage accessories. So from here, we can see our common parts and components and when it's time to replace them. And then you can reset the timer. Filter, you get the idea. Shows you the runtime for everything here. Pretty cool. There's the caster too, showing you cleaning and removal instructions, sensors, right? Pretty neat. So it walks you through all that. If you want to use Narwal's voice assistant, you can do that here. Enable or disable it. Wake and use, voice commands. You can view all those here. So a long list of commands. AI recognition settings, smart object detection, smart or safety. So choose which one you want. Safety will be a safer distance away to minimize collisions, but the cleaning efficiency will change. Help center, third-party voice control. You can use any of your favorite smart controls. Experimental functions, none right now, but stay tuned. Check back later. Maybe you'll have some at the time of this video or later after release. Okay, we're back here. Then we have a little search magnifying glass. We can just search for a setting or feature. X to exit out. Below that, we have our map again, so we can adjust our map display options, what we want to enable or disable on our map, 2D or 3D viewing. We have a camera for live video monitoring, so we can patrol around the house, which is really cool. We can also see our cruise cleaning records here, I should say. So we have our cleaning records, our cruise records, our pet finding records, and our all records here. So you can get a nice breakdown there. of your cruise, which is cool. That can be done through the through the live video monitoring. And then below that, we have our dock and accessory settings here. You can toggle between both of those. So some quick commands. And then we can hit that settings button to get to all the settings that we already looked at, right? So just another way to get there. And then accessory, giving you a status update there. And then we can go to manage accessories, and we already were at that screen earlier as well. Just another way to get there. But very nice. Okay, below that on the same side, we have room and zone. So we can toggle between both of those. And we can add up to 5 zones at one time to clean, or we can choose multiple rooms to clean. And then below that, we have multiple cleaning tiles. So we can vacuum, then mop, we can vacuum, we can mop, or we can customize our clean depending on the room. And we can edit each room right here. Do you want to do free of mine, or do you want to customize it yourself, right? So you can pick and choose all of that there. So very nice. Let's go back here though, and let's do vacuum and mop and customize so you can see all the settings up to 3 times, suction power settings, mop wetness, and then coverage precision, standard or meticulous, so basically standard or deep clean. And then below that, we can set a schedule, right? Choose the days of the week, organize your schedule exactly how you see fit. And then to the right of that, we can view our cleaning history. So we get a nice rundown there from our device and a cool breakdown. So lots and lots and lots of features for the Narwal Flow 2.